If you're somebody who's looking for automatic transitions that are really advanced in Virtual DJ to use in most of your mixes, then you're in the right place. My name is Sam as always, and in this video we're really going to be using only one click on a button or a keyboard on whatever you're using to make these transitions happen. So at first we're going to look at how we can take away a song that is currently playing as we introduce the next one in the opposite deck. So we're going to keep in mind the effects or the filters, the deck color effects. Unfortunately, we can't talk about all these things in one video, so it's going to be a series of videos talking about this. And so for today, we're going to apply this deck effect, which is flanger and some filter HP. And also we're going to keep in mind the deck color effects. Still, we're going to add some more flavor using the flanger there. And as we take out the song, somehow you might need to apply the cut effect. So this is going to be automatic. At first, let's see how the song would go away. This is a sample. Alright, so that is how you would take the song that is currently playing, and then as you introduce the next one, as this one says goodbye to the new one coming. Hope you get the concept. Alright, so how does this even work? But before I tell you how it works, I think I have to show you the mapping that I've been building over time, and maybe I'm going to put it on Telegram in case you really feel like you can modify it a bit. You can just copy and paste it and then modify it in your virtual DJ. I would also love to get your feedback in the comment section down below. So let's look at it. If you go to your mappings area under the configurations, you will find that I'm using F9 in this case. It's the F9 that really takes away the song. I'm not going to explain everything in this mapping because it's really going to only maybe embarrass you. Maybe you're not interested in getting what this is, but if you really want to understand how this works, maybe being a member will help out. But this is simply the mapping that I'm using, and still I'm going to add on some more things on it, so there are no worries. Let's copy and then use it. Alright, so how it works is that there is a song playing currently in deck A, which we really want to take away. Now the problem with this is that you can't apply the effects first, you can't apply the transitions first, because as soon as you apply it first and then you want to select the next song and play, the effects will go to the next deck, so you lose your mix. So what you really have to do here is you first have to go and play the next song that has to come in, and then quickly you'll have to select back the one you want to take away. That's when now you'll have to press F9. Let me repeat this. You don't have to first press the transition effect on the song that you want to take away. What you have to do is first introduce the next track, select back very fast to the deck that you want to wipe out, and then press these once to see the magic. Also, the other thing you have to keep in mind here, something that you should keep in mind is the level of the effect that you want to apply. If you see mine here, they are even different for both decks, right? Especially the feedback for the flanger effect. For deck A is quite more than this, because I'm really so oriented to the song that I'm playing. I know this song here has a big bass line, and when the feedback is high, I might end up maybe embarrassing the crowd when I'm using a big speaker. So you have to get used to your songs, really know the songs that you are playing, and then master the bass lines, everything about the song. You'll know how to apply. Or if you don't really know anything to do with this, just turn it all the way, like let's say we turn the feedback to around here, and also the same for deck B, right? So you only have to now control your effects from here, but just give it a little bit of echo, a little bit of filter HP, and a little bit of cut, and everything's going to be fine. So that is just simply how it works. I hope this is not really something very complicated. If you love the concept, please give me a like for this one here. And if there's anything you feel like I should know, please always be free to comment. I'm always going to be back in replies for you. And also please share these videos, because I hope really we can help spread these as far as we can. And also the YouTube algorithm really helps us on this one. So that is it, guys. If you're still new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and let's see you in the next one.